I'm currently here at Isha Center, Coimbatore for the Hatha Yoga course of the Indian Defence Forces.
Indiscipline in the class can be solved by folding hands. I was not aware.
To face a war which might come someday, best way to teach or train your mind and body is by extreme adventure. Because you face death.
Hatha Yoga, I have heard about it. I was not very clear. Turned my thought process about this.
I realized there's a lot common between yogis and soldiers. Lot common.
3 साल से जो योगा है हमारे शरीर का अंग का हिस्सा बन चुका है.
But however, with the current scenario, things are happening where the need is not only physical but also mental. Namaskaram, I am from Indian Navy.
मैं जम्मू कश्मीर से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मेरी यूनिट 74 आर्मर रेजिमेंट है.
Personally, I used to do that yoga, which is kind of a glamorized outside in the world. And our life, Fauji life, is full of physical activities, whether it is morning, evening, or yearly certain mandatory things are there, which has kind of tuned our body in a particular manner, which is reasonably doing well for the forces till date. But however, with the current scenario, things are happening where the need is not only physical but also mental. Today's fast life, with technology and obviously our rigors of the Navy, it is leading to some kind of internal stress, which only shows through when it becomes big.
It has only been few days in this course and I have already experienced that it is much more than just physical fitness. It is a lot about the mental well-being of the individual as well.
And Hatha Yoga, I have heard about it. I was not very clear prior coming here.
15 दिनों में हमने यहाँ पे सूर्य क्रिया करी है और अंग मर्दना करी हुई है और ईसा क्रिया का हमने वो किया है, तो माइंड एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाता है, बॉडी में एक अंदर से एनर्जी टाइप आती है.
We have gained in terms of stamina, we have gained in terms of our mental peace, but this particular exposure of 15 days has really turned my thought process about this.
To face a war which might come someday, best way to teach or train your mind and body is by extreme adventure, because you face death very closely in those circumstances. You jump from an airplane, your parachute might not open. You have a good chance. You are at 8,800 meters on Everest summit camp. You know there is a good chance 33% people die there and they don't come back. This is how we train ourselves. I am telling, even after so many years of training, 17 years in service, I do not have that stability. And this is what I believe that Hatha Yoga or maybe these practices can provide us, because this is very important and subtle aspect which we lack to achieve the perfection. Maybe this can be the basis.
It had a very build-up kind of a schedule. Initially it was slow, so that our body starts accommodating these things. And then it became very intense.
प्रेशर पॉइंट में यहाँ पे जब आपका माइंड एकदम क्लियर होता है, आप एकदम फोकस्ड होते हैं, तो आपको कोई भी डिसीजन लेने में बहुत आसानी होती है.
You are also going through this meditation part.
Being in forces, we don't have a habit to sit. And especially for people like us, we have different set of muscles which are working for us.
I belong to the special forces, the naval special forces, which are called Marine Commandos. So life has been quite fun, I would say, traveling to different places, different missions, training, doing things like diving underwater. And it's like, we call it like moderation is for COVID. After coming here, I realized what we are living, there's so much to explore. So much to explore. But with having mind and body as tool, when we realize that these are the real tools. Even if I don't have a gun, but this mind and body are in control. Maybe without that also, I would not even depend on those guns. There's some things that just comes to the mind and it takes you towards the completion of the task. And in a very, very, satisfying way.
मेरी यूनिट का जो मेरा ट्रेनिंग टीम का हिस्सा है, हम 2 साल से 3 साल से हमारे जैसे शरीर का कोई अंग होता है ना, जो योगा है हमारे शरीर का अंग का हिस्सा बन चुका है. योगा से लड़े हुए हैं. जो मेरी टीम अभी है वो पूरी इतनी टॉप हो गई है कि उसको 45 यूनिटों के अंदर कोई भी बंदा छेड़ता नहीं है. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इतनी हो गई है ना, आप मान सकते हो. जब हम उस चीज़ को कंपटीशन को करते हैं, जो कि हमारा एक वर्टिकल एक्सरसाइज की होती है, तो पूरे बंदे आके हमारे को देखते हैं, पूरे यूनिट के बंदे, कम से कम 2-2.5 हज़ार बंदा होता है, देखते आगे कि 74 अभी कंपटीशन में घुस रही है, इसका हम टाइम नोट करते हैं. तो हमारा 11 मिनट टाइम आता है, तो बोलते हैं यार इनके टाइम को कैसा कटा जाए. वो हमारे अंदर इतनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आई है, चाहे वो किसी भी साइड से होगी, वो हमारे बहुत फिजिकल का एक अनुभव आ गया.
एक बार हमने ध्यान लिंगम में विजिट किया था, तो वहाँ पे एकदम जो शांत माहौल है, जो वहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट है, तो वहाँ पे आप एकदम ऐसे हो जाते हो कि आपको कुछ और आपके माइंड में नहीं आता है। आप पूरा फोकस वहीं पे करते हो, पूरा आप ध्यान पे लगे रहते हो, आपको पता नहीं चलता है कब टाइम हो गया।
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So these activities kind of helps in building the team. Whether it was a trek that we did, fun activities which we did here, competition that we did, everything was absolutely, it's a win-win situation.
Seeing the volunteers working with devotion, they take everything like an offering.
See, until and unless it is life and death, no one gives 100%.
People of such dedication, ये पता नहीं कहाँ उगते हैं. Indiscipline in the class can be solved by folding hands. I was not aware.
That people should be more of volunteers and less of nominated personnel who do things.
So the thing which I'm taking back from here is, I love my job already, but I'm going to love it. I'm going to worship it like an offering to God.
Then I saw the course of Hatha Yoga, that to achieve some stability in doing things, we can start from this and then go into the professional direction of training ourselves in various fields. This should be the basis. We are in the right direction. We know at least now that this is the right direction.